Turning on the background app refresh on the mobile phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. So first thing first, open up your mobile phone. On the main page, simply go ahead and click on settings, and in the setting go ahead and click on search settings. In the search settings, simply go ahead and click on type in background app and hit the search button. So it will show you background auto start. Simply go ahead and click on that, and here will be the list of the applications which we will allow the mobile phone to auto start or auto refresh in the background. So you can either click on any of the application you wishes to be able to work in the background. So simply go ahead and click on that application, and that application will work in the background. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.